So we're gonna set up this PR1000. Winter's coming, and what I bought this for was I was tired of seeing those people on the commercial with somebody else's face photoshopped on my body. Now we're gonna set this thing up. Ooh, let's see that. I would say we're in for a night's work. There's a man. I normally wouldn't be worried about the instructions, but it looks like there's going to be a few pieces here. Well, I'm going to read these. And get back to you. It included some tools. Collect all the pieces. Turn the bolts right to tighten, left to loosen. Wow. When I'm putting these things together, I always am glad. Hopefully we'll keep it and I don't have to put it back. Okay, looks like we need this piece here first. And then of course the piece we need next is way down here. It's like Lego. Just follow the instructions. So I'm going to get each step out at a time. Got the top piece. Of course the piece that I need is right at the bottom, so I'm just going to take everything out and get it organized. It's the pack that they send you. It's pretty easy to follow, but if you want to get real screwdrivers and real wrenches, that's probably a good idea. Okay, I'm going to do step one. Step one, I did step one, put this piece on here. Just put all the screws in loose, and then you tighten them up after. And then I also did step two here. Put this here, and on here number 23 is a little rubber pad. It's tough to find. It's in the bag with the red knob. Okay, I'm gonna finish putting together this and tightening those bolts. Alright, did step two, put this stiff on here. And then step three is put this on here. Step four, let's move this up a little bit. Puts this whole piece on the seat that you just did. And now step five, we'll move the camera around. We'll come over here. Put this bolt in, you have to lift this beam up just a little bit to get it in there. And you're good. Then in step five, you tighten that bolt right here. You put this little step red knob on there like that. Step six, put this on here, it's still loose. Then I'm going to put this whole bar, let's move that up, into here. Yep, I got all the screws with washers on them already. I'm just going to put a couple in. Remember to put them all in loose and then tighten them up. Little cable clip here just goes on right back here. There, try and get it level. Here are the media trays. You can snap them in, but it's easier if you just slide them in before you put it all together. Don't forget to put them on first. I forgot. Okay, we're going to put the big bands on. Here they are. You need just this clip for here. Come under this flat piece and then underneath. Okay. Goes over top. Here, let's move that around. See where it sits in here. Over top like this, and then the screws go right into here. You thread right into there. There. That's the. We're working on step 10 here. Pulleys here. Just put the bolt. You have to put the bolt in and wiggle. that in, tighten them up. We're almost done here. We'll just have to put the seat on. Like this. And there like that. Swing over here. Put these pegs in. Alright, one goes up here. And the other one goes down here. Pick your hole, you probably have to adjust it for your leg length. But we're almost done. There, now we just have to hook up some cables. Okay, you can see that the cables are all hooked up. Different ways you can hook up the cables down like that. It's all here, so whatever one you're using, you just hook them up. Just have to put on those handles. Give it a try. There it is. I hooked it up for the chest there, down. You have to change the cables up when you work out. So I just put it to 10 because I don't really know what's going to happen. Let's try it. Give it a whirl. So that's an hour and 25 minutes. So I guess you sit on it. Bring her down. Put on 10. We'll have to watch. There's probably a video on what you need to work out. I don't know what they. One of them makes your hair stronger, but I'm not sure which one it is. So that's it. Thanks for watching. You have to figure out the rest, what you want to do with it yourself. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. Hope this helps you out. Thanks.